Hi, and welcome to our introduction to attendance for this school year. I am Lauren Holmes. I am one of the attendance managers. We also have Audrey Lewis and Tammy Bradley, who are attendance managers as well. So today we want to talk to you about Canvas versus Jigsaw as it relates to attendance. So students receive class and school announcements in Canvas. They also have an email account that's encouraged to be checked daily. When the student attends his or her Jigsaw live sessions, attendance is captured for that class session. One thing that we want to make sure that you guys are aware of is to make sure that your student is accessing all of their sessions through Canvas. Make sure that they haven't bookmarked Jigsaw and they're trying to access through there. They need to go through Canvas each time. If a student misses 6 live required sessions, that equals 1 full unexcused day. A student's legal guardian or learning coach has 3 days to document an excuse and nucleus for review by their attendance specialist. Anything outside of that 3-day window will not be accepted.
At the beginning of each semester, students are assigned a personalized schedule. If you cannot locate the schedule, your FEL can assist you with this. If the session is required for a student, the student does need to attend the class in its entirety to receive credit for that live session. If a student cannot log into the session, the legal guardian or the learning coach must document the excuse and nucleus within 3 days upon the return. The attendance specialist will review the excuse and inform the learning coach or legal guardian if it has not been excused. If you document an absence in nucleus for the Miss Jigsaw class, a screenshot with the time and date stamp is always a good thing to upload as part of the excuse because it'll allow your attendance specialist more information on the absence.
Students are given flexibility levels for classes. Some classes may be required and some may be encouraged. A required class means that a student must attend that class or else that class will count against the student as far as attendance goes. Encouraged classes are classes that a student can take advantage of, but it would not count against a student for attendance. If you do not know your student's flexibility level, then you can check in Infinite Campus. And if you're unsure about how to do that, then please reach out to your FEL.
All right, so we want to do a self-assessment with you guys. We want this to be as interactive as possible as it can be with a recording. So after we ask the questions, if you know it, just go ahead and jot it down or just have your answer in your head. And if not, you can go back into the recording and try to find the answer. All right, so our first question for today. So your student does not have to stay in the live class session the entire time to receive credit. Is that true or false? Go ahead and think of your answer. All right, let's see what that answer is. This is false. So for a student to be counted as present, they must remain in the live class session for the entire time. All right, question 2. How many days does a LG or LC have to log an excuse and nucleus for a missed day or a missed live session? Is it A1, B5, C4, or D3? Go ahead and have your answer. If you're not sure, go back and try to find it. All right, so let's see. That answer is D. In order for that attendance specialist to review the absence, it must be submitted in nucleus within 3 days of that student's return. All right, our third and final question. So where can you find your student schedule? Is this in A, Jigsaw, B, Infinite Campus, C, Clever, or D, Nearpod? All right, let's see what that answer is. So a student schedule can be found in Infinite Campus. That answer was B. You can reach out to your FEL if you need some assistance in locating the schedule, and you'll be able to find it there.
In summary, attendance is a very important part of your student's day. Therefore, it is imperative that you know how to assist your student in navigating his or her day. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your attendance specialist and/or your FEL. We are here to help you and your students succeed.